Hello everyone, welcome to End-to-End Pets. How stressed you are today? Watch this video that will surely melt away with extremely cute and funny pets. What are you waiting for? Let's get started! Grandma, take this chair and sit down. I love you so much. When you go to sleep, you also need to pose. Oh my god! Hurry up and save me from the stinking plagues. Oops, this doesn't make it difficult for me. See? Oh, smart robots. Please share some knowledge with me. Oh my god, this part is very small, so I will go this way. Forget it. Oh no! Come and take me. I think I need to lose weight urgently. Oh my god, something terrible is going on, right? Oh, my brothers are really cool. I fainted here. Oh, I was really taken aback.
Oh no.
Those pigeons look delicious. Let me catch them. Oh no! I'm learning how to catch airy mouse here. Thanks to this shirt, the owner took me everywhere. humans keep getting my fur wet. I swear, I'm not clumsy. Don't shoot me. Stop begging humans for food. You are already very fat. Get up and exercise to lose weight, buddy. It was a very volatile trade indeed. I'm drinking water, but I'm not getting a single drop of water. And now it's time to say goodbye. We hope you remember to like our video. So have a wonderful day and we will talk soon. Goodbye and see you again.